Stop by and take a look at the 2023 Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, heated steering wheel, Sirius satellite radio. Come take a test drive today.